tie together two old toothbrushes. They have surprising uses. Once you see what you can do with them, you'll never throw away old toothbrushes again. They come in handy in a few situations. Take a lighter or a candle and heat the toothbrush in that spot. It's the part between the head and the handle. After heating, the toothbrush will become soft. You can bend it. It's perfect for washing narrow dishes if you don't have a brush for them. For example, you can clean vases with a narrow neck. Heat up another toothbrush and bend it in the other direction. Such a toothbrush will be useful for hard-to-reach places in the bathroom. A regular brush won't fit under the rim of the toilet. A bent toothbrush will do just fine. It will even clean the area where water sprays out from. For the next trick, first remove the hairs from the toothbrush. It's best to do it like I do it. Both toothbrushes will look like this. Take a piece of paper, fold it, and place it between the toothbrushes. Wrap them with rubber bands on the ends behind the paper. You'll have such a tool. It's perfect for peeling large sunflower seeds. You can also use it to peel peanuts. Your fingers won't hurt as much from cracking them open.